If you've been seeing ads for Seese Pro, the so-called powerful, ultra-lightweight blower that promises to handle everything from yard work to car detailing and even indoor cleaning, you might be wondering if it's really worth your money or just another overhyped gadget. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. On paper, Seese Pro sounds like the perfect all-in-one tool, compact, versatile, and efficient. But once you start looking deeper, things aren't as straightforward as the flashy promotions suggest. Many buyers have reported missing items right out of the box, which raises big concerns about quality control and reliability. Customer service doesn't seem to make things easier either, with complaints about slow or unhelpful responses, and the only way to reach out being through email. Then there's the question of the product itself. Claims about extreme power and multifunctionality remain unverified, and a lot of the images used to promote Seese Pro appear to be stock photos rather than actual product shots, which makes it difficult to trust the authenticity of what's being advertised. Add to that the exaggerated marketing promises that make it sound like a miracle tool, when in reality it might just be another average blower rebranded with big words. To be fair, some users may find it handy for light cleaning tasks, but if you're expecting industrial-level performance, you'll probably be disappointed. The lack of real-world demonstration videos from the company also makes it hard to gauge how well it works in everyday use. So while Seese Pro might catch your eye with bold claims and sleek advertising, the actual experience seems mixed, leaning more toward uncertainty than confidence. If you still want to take a chance on this product, the link to check it out is tagged in the video description, but make sure you weigh the pros and cons before deciding.